Stress ka ba sa work? Laging overloaded? At almost everyday ang overtime? Baka it's time naman para bigyan mo ng importance ang sarili mo. Halika dahil it's pamper time at mangyayari lang yan sa Kabayan Natural Therapy Center. Pagpasok mo pa lang, very inviting na ang place at ang ganda ng ambience at syempre maraming klase ng massage na pwede mong pagpilian kagaya ng starter sa halagang 99 dirhams, ang signature 149 dirhams at ang refresh na may halagang 169 dirhams. At hindi lang yan, marami pa silang option na pwedeng i-offer sa iyo kagaya ng Moroccan bath at Ventosa. May pa-bonus pa silang loyalty card na pwede mong gamitin every time na pupunta ka at maka-avail ka ng upgraded massage, 20% discount, and 30% discount sa mga visit mo. Tignan nyo naman ang interior. Very well constructed, and of course, hindi ka rin maboboard while waiting for your turn. Nakatulog na nga ako after my session at ang rate ko, 10 over 10. Walang halong bola yan ha. Thank you Kabayan Natural Therapy Center. Alright! Book your appointment on their WhatsApp. Follow and like them on Facebook and TikTok. Located at Buhaliba, Building 51, Unit 302, Morakabad Road, Deira, Dubai.